Voiceover, you're planning your dream vacation. The sun, the sand, the cocktails. But wait, there's a tiny, yet crucial detail that could ruin your paradise: money. Specifically, what currency does your shiny new Monzo card support? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, isn't Monzo just for those hipsters in London? Well, it used to be. But this little purple card has grown up and is now ready to travel the world. So, can it handle your euros, dollars, or even those exotic rupiah? The short answer is, kind of. Let's break it down. First off, Monzo's home currency is the good old British pound. That's where your money lives, safe and sound. But don't worry, just because your home is in the UK doesn't mean you can't have a global adventure. When you swipe your Monzo card abroad, magic happens. It automatically converts your pounds to the local currency, giving you the best exchange rate possible. No sneaky fees, no hidden charges, just you and your money, living your best life. So, theoretically, you can spend your Monzo card anywhere in the world that accepts MasterCard. That's a pretty big deal. From the bustling markets of Bangkok to the chic boutiques of Paris, your card has got you covered. But there's a catch. While you can spend freely in any currency, you can only hold pounds in your Monzo account. So, if you're planning a long-term trip and want to save in the local currency, Monzo might not be your best bet. Now, let's talk about receiving money. Monzo has made some pretty big strides in this area. You can now receive international payments in over 40 currencies. This means if your rich aunt wants to send you some euros for that fancy Parisian dinner, you can happily accept. However, there's a small fee for converting these currencies into pounds. So, to recap, you can spend your Monzo card in any currency worldwide that accepts MasterCard. You can only hold pounds in your Monzo account. You can receive international payments in over 40 currencies, but there's a small conversion fee. Now, before you pack your bags and hit the road, remember to check the specific details on Monzo's website. Things can change, and you want to be fully prepared. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, travel is all about adventure, but a little financial planning never hurt anyone. Happy exploring!